shakes and protein smoothies. So I want to collab with your gym or whatever you are having. I want to sell all my products like protein shakes, protein smoothies, and protein powders, all the supplements that you want at your gym, and with a very marginal rate and very much discount, with a heavy discount. And if you buy it in a bulk, so my protein shakes are very